So before we run load flow analysis here in ETAP, let me first discuss on how to input network configuration. So first, by clicking the configuration manager here, located at 3D database toolbar, the configuration manager window will appear. So makikita natin dito yung mga configuration list, the ID, and yung mga conditions or the configurations. So before that, I have here a table, given table, wherein nandito yung mga given network configuration. So under normal configuration, ang i-open nating breakers are CB1 and B7. Under T2 down, the B8, B11, and B7 are open breakers. Under T4 down, B9, B12, and B7 are open breakers. In T1 down, B2, B4, and B7. In T3 down, B3, B5, and B7. And when the power grid is down, the B1 is open. And when all loads are active, the open breaker is B7. So under normal configuration, the breaker B7 is open and the breaker CB1 is also open. And then new, under T2 down, the breakers B8, B11, and B7 are open. And then create new again. For T4 down, the breakers B7, B9, and B12 are open. And then create new again. Under T1 is down. So when T1 is down, the B2, B4, and B7 are open. So let's open the B2, B4, and B7. So create new. Let's have T3 down. So when T3 is down, the B3, B5, and B7 are open. B3, B5, and B7 are open. And when the power grid is down, so let's rename it as grid down, breaker B1 only is open. And when the all loads are active, all active. When all loads are active, the B7 is the only breaker that is open. So given the table here listed, the network configuration, so you may notice that when the power grid is on a swing mode, meaning the power grid is the supplier of the power or the electricity in the system, so the B7 or the generator is down. And when the power grid is down, which is the B1, the breaker of power grid, the generator is closed, meaning the generator will be the supplier of the power in the system. So after inputting all the network configuration, we may start to run a load flow analysis here in ETAP.